Good morning, students. In previous videos, we have solved section A and section B part of Sainik School entrance exam. Today we will be solving section C part, that is English language. It contains 25 questions which are of 2 marks each. So one passage is given here. Below that passage there will be some questions. So don't read the full passage. Just read one line, you will get what kind of passage will be. So it is Midas the king. So it is related to king. Now read the first question here. 76. What kind of man was Midas? So search for this. Midas the king was a greedy person. So in first line itself it is given as a Midas was a greedy person. So any option is there? First option itself it is there. Midas was a greedy person. So option A is the correct one. We'll go to the next question. 77. Who came to Midas one day? Now again search it for in passage. He loved gold more than anything in the world. He had lots of wealth, but he was never really a happy person. One day, God Bachchus came to Midas. So who came to Midas? No, God Bachchus. Any option is there? God Jesus. It is not correct. God Bachchus. Option B is the right answer. Now go to the next question. Why did Bachchus offer him a gift? Now again go to the passage. Why he offered him a gift? Midas had once helped God Bachchus and in return Bachchus offered him a gift. So he helped God Bachchus. That's why he offered him a gift. Any option is there? Because he had helped God once. So first option is right. Again we will see next one also. He had pleased Bachchus. He had annoyed Bachchus. He cared for Bachchus. No, these are not correct answer. Option A is the right one because he had helped God once. Now go to the next question. 79. What was Midas' wish? Now again search for it. What shall I give you to make you happy? God asked him. Midas thought for a while and said, please give me power and everything I touched into gold. Bachchus laughed and said, so this is the wish I touch into gold. Everything he touches that turns into gold. So what was Midas' wish? Wish to become rich or to turn anything into gold? To turn his daughter a golden doll to become powerful. So option B is the right one. To turn anything into gold was Midas' wish. Next, read the question number 80. Who turned into gold statue when Midas touched? Now again read the passage. The next morning Midas woke up and he had his golden touch. He touched his bed, chairs, doors, windows and all became gold. But they have asked statue. Which statue turned into gold? Suddenly he felt very hungry. He sat at the table, but as soon as the food touched his lips, it turned into gold. So did the water. It seemed he could no longer eat or drink. So everything he touches that turned into gold. Food also, water also. After some time, his daughter came to him. When he put his hand on her, she became a gold statue. So who became a gold statue there? King's daughter, Midas' daughter, became a gold statue. Any option is there? See, daughter. First option itself it is there. So daughter also turned into a gold statue. So option A is the right one. So this is about a passage. Next there will be some grammar part. What is they have given? Rearrange the following words and phrases to make a meaningful sentence. Choose the correct sequence. So some words they have given, you have to rearrange it. 81st question. Life is what we make. So just try it. Life is what we make it. So this is correct. First is B. Life is what we make it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So B, C, D, A. B, C, D, A is the correct answer. Which one? Option D. B, C, D, A is the right answer. Next, 82nd question. Gold is not glitters all that. Now try to make a sentence. Glitters is not gold. All that remained here. Again, take first one. All that glitters is not gold. So this sentence is correct. All that glitters is not gold. So options, first one is D, second is C, third is B, fourth is A. So see in the options D, C, B, A. No, no, no. This one is the right answer. So try to make a sentences using these given words. Next one, playing. 83rd question, playing in the park children are. So children are playing in the park. Children are first one, playing second one, in the third one, park fourth one. So D, A, B, C. So check it in options D, A, B, C. Not correct, not correct. So this one is right answer. Option C is the correct one. Now we move on to the next questions. That is, fill in the blanks with the appropriate option. So read the question number 84. Either work hard or give up studies. So here or sentence fits correctly. So this one is correct one. The correct word in the given blank option is or, as either is used with or. Now question number 85. He is afraid dash the dog. Here preposition of should be used as afraid is followed by preposition of. Means he is afraid of the dog. Of is the right answer. 86th one. He dash tea every morning. He drinks tea every morning. Here drinks is the suitable word for the given blank. For habitual actions, present indefinite tenses, that is verb 1 plus es should be used. 87th one. The child has been missing dash yesterday. Here correct word will be since. Since is the correct word for the given blank because since is used for point of time. So child has been missing since yesterday. Now 88th one. Do as directed. 3 questions. Do as directed is given. Johnny is my dash brother. Danny is my elder brother, it fits properly. Johnny is my bigger brother, it doesn't fit here. Johnny is my old brother, doesn't fit here. Johnny is my young brother. If younger is given, it will be fitting. So Johnny is my elder brother. This one is the correct answer. Because adjective elder is used only before a noun, especially when talking about relationship within a family. So option A is its correct answer. Now 89th one. French is dash easy language. Here easy, check for the easy. First letter is what? It is a vowel. If the vowel is given, you should use an. So French is an. If the consonants are given, you should use a. So French is an easy language. 90 question. Ashok dash him yesterday. Here the correct option will be met, because the given sentence is in past tense. So, second form of the verb, that is meet, met, met. Met is the second form of the verb, should be used in the given blank. So, Ashok met him yesterday is the right answer. Now go to the next questions. 91. Which word means nearly the same as sufficient? Here, the word sufficient means enough for a particular purpose. So, adequate is it similar meaning word as adequate also means enough. So, option B is the right answer. 92nd question. Which word is the opposite of simple? That is complex. Easy is not correct. Obey is also not correct. Show is also not correct. The word opposite to the simple is complex. 93rd one. A list of books in a library is called as what? Catalog. Not monologue, dialogue, diary. It is a catalog, which is a list of books in a library. Now 94th question. Find the feminine gender of horse. Horse feminine gender is mare. 95th question. Choose the word which means the opposite of rise. Rise means it is increasing. So fall means decreasing. So this is the opposite word of rise. Rise is not smooth, not pride, not rash. So opposite of rise is fall only. Now 96th question. Choose the word which means same as grief. Grief means very great sadness. Here they are asking same word. So here sorrow is the correct answer. Grief, sorrow. This cheerful, happy are the opposite words, whereas sorrow is same meaning of a grief. Now 97th question. One who does not believe in the existence of God is called as atheist. So, who believes in God is known as theist, but who doesn't believe in God, those are called as a atheist. Now read the 98th question. The match has been postponed dash it has been raining outside. So match has been postponed because, so you are giving the reason, means you have to choose because. The sentence shows cause and effect relationship. So because is the correct conjunction to fill the given blank. So the match has been postponed because it has been raining outside is the correct answer. Now 99th question. This is the boy dash parents have died. Here whose is the correct answer. Whose is the correct pronoun to fill the given blank, because it is used to find out which person something belongs to. That's why whose is the correct answer. This is the boy whose parents have died. Now read the last question. He does not help the poor. Dash question mark is there. Does he? So see here. Does he is the correct question tag for the given blank. Usually, if the main clause is negative, the question tag is positive. That's why he doesn't help the poor, does he? So this is section C part of an English language. In later videos, we will solve the next section, that is section D, which is a paper 2 of intelligence test. Thank you.